Easy living awaits in this one-level end-unit home. 3 beds, 2 baths. Updated neutral interior paint throughout. Open floor plan offers a cathedral ceiling that provides a more spacious and modern feel. Dramatic skylights in the tiled floor kitchen add to this feel and bring in a pop of natural light. Bedrooms are split with guest bedrooms in the front and owner's suite in the back. Private, fenced backyard and patio. Attached 2-car garage. Grounds maintenance is included in the HOA. Less than 10 minutes to West Town Mall, grocery stores, and easy access to I-40.